Oh man, look at these cookies.
Bro, look, dude. Look at this chart, man. Like, this is exactly why 80-90% of private paid adult daycare centers fail. Right here, this comparison between adult daycare, home care, assisted living. When you compare these three, I mean, adult daycare looks like it's flatland, like it's dead, like no one's searching for it. Like, the awareness is the problem. Awareness is the entire reason why people don't know what it is. 3 practical ways that we can solve this problem. So number 1 way is word of mouth, obviously, but it's the network effect, right? You got to get people who have already like kind of utilized those services, talking to other people about those services. You're growing the network. You have more people talking to each other about this thing. There's a greater awareness, and now they have something to search for. Number 2 is that you have to have standardization and you have to have accessibility in all 50 states, meaning, you know, people, family caregivers who are caring for their mom, dad, spouse, or a loved one, they know exactly what adult daycare is from across state lines, meaning the services provided in Tennessee are very similar to the ones provided in Arizona, that are similar to the ones provided in California, the way it works, how you pay for it. If you had a standardization of care that the consumer can have a standard expectation of, scalability, you know, you're gonna have accessibility nationwide, people will know what it is, that network effect will continue to increase, more people will become aware of it. As they become aware of it, they will search more and more for that service. Number 3 is education and outreach. We got to find more ways that we can get into articles, into blog posts, that we can get in front of discharge planners and social workers, you know, that we can educate the consumer, we can educate the healthcare professionals so they have a better understanding of like the services offered, how it can help their patients, how it can help their loved ones, how it can help them. But you have to have a multitude of individuals who are championing this service on, and that takes education, time, and outreach to make that happen. You can't just throw money at pay-per-click campaigns on Google expecting that to increase search volume, right? Because the reality is, if that search volume is low, like, money is not going to fix the problem. Only awareness is going to fix the problem. If there's more people aware, then there's more people searching for the term. That being said, guys, thank you for joining me. Make sure you go to adcpro.com to learn more. We'll see you on the next one. Let's get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.